Welcome, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Book4, and in this video I will show you how to enter a one-time boot menu on this laptop. So to do that, all you have to do is press the power button once when your device is turned off. Press the power button and then repeatedly press F10 button while your device boots up. Keep pressing the F10 button repeatedly until you see the boot menu screen. And once you see it, you'll be able to navigate in it using your arrow keys, so down or up arrow key to select and enter to confirm. If you want to return to your Windows, you can either press Escape or select Windows Boot Manager and press Enter. And after that, your laptop will boot into the Windows. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.